Still another day to kill the market. Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a sell trade on VIX 25 1S index. We are moving in good profits. I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. This trade played out as predicted, though we had little drawdown in the beginning, but this index still sold, still gave the expected sales, right? So I sold this index here. My entry was somewhere here. I had my entry here with our stop loss above these last highs. So we got this little retracement, price pushed up, put us on a little drawdown, then went our expected direction. So I think the market actually came to retest this double top neckline, because double tops are reversal pattern formations. They are bearish reversal pattern formations, having the first highs at this point, right? First highs at that point, and the second highs at this zone. I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. We made good profit from these sells and still making money, right? Our TP is about to get smashed. More sells expected on VIX 25 1S index. I've taken partial profit on the sells. I've closed about 50% of my positions in good profit. So here in today's video, we'll be having a market breakdown on this sell trade I took on VIX 25 1S index. And I'll be sharing with you guys my reasons of taking these sells, my analysis basically, and what I think of this index. So first, we're heading to a higher time frame, because you guys know that whenever I want to analyze the market, I always go to a higher time frame whenever I want to look after the opportunity, so I can see the bigger picture of the market, so I can be able to identify the market levels and zones, spot my levels basically, so I can have a bigger picture of the market, would say. Yeah. So on this daily time frame, we got this index be in an uptrend. I think we should analyze from we should have a look on the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame, this index has been very bullish, which you can see. That's the first thing I spot basically. I identify the market's direction, the market trend, the market structure on the higher time frame, then work with that market view I got on the higher time frame, looking out for trade opportunities on a lower time frame. So on this weekly time frame, this index is clearly in an uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. That's the first thing I spot. That's the first thing I identify, the market trend basically. So we had a level here before we got this major uptrend. We had a level which price broke out of, which has been a strong level in the market, right? So spotting this level, I expected a retest of this level, a proper retest. Markets tried to give a retest of this level, but it failed, pushed up, and came to this point, was consolidating here for months, for weeks and months, would say. Checking when this index got to these highs, it got to these highs on the 28th of April, and it's been on this same zone till date, about 4 months now. This index has been consolidating about 3 to 4 months now. This index has been in this range, and I think the market is building up their sell power. The sellers are building up their selling strength to push the market to the downside, to come give a proper retest of this broken level, this consolidation level we got here on the weekly time frame. So it's expected that price breaks out of this consolidation to come retest this level, this broken level of resistance, this level that has held for a very long time, having a couple of reactions on this level. Market rejection on the test of this level the first time, resistance, 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 resistance. Checking the first reaction, which date was this? It was on the 6th of December 2020. That was when this level was formed. So since then, this level has been expected before we had a major breakout, a major bullish breakout of this level. You can see this bullish engulfing candle we got here. We got at this point that broke out of this level, this broken level of resistance that market has expected for years and months. So the retest of that level is expected in the coming days and hours on, and weeks, would say, the coming days, weeks and months on VIX 25 1S index for the bullish continuation, because this index is still in an uptrend. When we zoom out on the chart, you can see the overall trend of the market. So it's clear that this index is still in an uptrend. So all we expect right now is for price to come give a retest of this level, of this broken level, for the bullish continuation, and confirming this our retest zone, which is at this point. We bring up our Fibonacci 2, because the Fibonacci 2 works best in a trending market. So we bring up the Fibonacci 2, matching it up from this last swing low to this swing highs we got here, confirming this level, this potential retracement level. So let's check if it fell into that zone. So the Fibonacci 2 from the swing lows to the swing highs, and our 61.8 level is kind of close to this level, which is not bad as well. So the sells to this level is expected on VIX 25 1S index. So that's the weekly time frame view on this index. So on the daily time frame, everything is looking good as well. You can see the clear consolidation, and on this consolidation, we got market towards create lower highs formation, which is a bearish formation, which is a bearish structure, right? We got the lower highs formation in the daily time frame, market creating lower highs and lower lows formation. So this index shifted from a bullish market to a bearish market at this point. So the sells is expected. So the last daily time frame candle closed in a bearish formation, and today's candle came to give a retest of a broken level which we spotted on the lower time frame, a retest of this level which I took my sells on, and we're getting price sell as expected, as predicted on this index. So everything is looking good on the daily time frame. So we could see price sell to these levels. Firstly, this level here, if price can break below this level, that's price hitting our TP. We would see price sell to this zone. This is our next level. Market could sell to, then get price sell to these lows. This level, firstly, our trend support level getting broken, right? And see price come to test this next level, which was a level of support which has been expected previously. Same market reaction here, support at this point, getting price buy on this level, the support the first time, support the second time, and the third test of this level. We have possibilities of seeing price do what? React on this level or market getting to these, because we have possibilities. So if this level can get broken, we'll see price sell to this next level, which was expected. Resistance here, support here. So price could get to this level, then a break below that level, we'll see price sell to this next zone. So everything's looking good on this index. The sell is expected. It's expected for price to sell to our zone, which is here, which is at this level. So on spotting this market formation on the daily time frame, I went to a lower time frame. I went to the forward time frame after the daily time frame. So on this forward time frame, you can see that we got market create a reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation. Always emphasize on this, right? So we got the the head at that point, the right shoulder here, and the left shoulder, which just formed, and one thing about this formation is that the neckline is kind of very far. So on price pushing down after this left shoulder formation, sorry, after this right shoulder formation, we got market what come to test this zone which we had an order block on. So this order block we got here caught my interest on this setup on this index. So I took the sells at this point. My stop loss above this structure on a lower time frame, right? I worked with this market formation down to a lower time frame to get a good entry point. So I took my sells here. Price pushed down our TP1 and TP2 has been smashed. TP3 is about to get smashed, which price is close to, we can see right now, guys. You can see our TP3 is close, very much close, which is about getting smashed. So everything's looking good on this index. So I took the sells after I spotted the structure on the forward time frame. I went to the 1 hour time frame. That's the next time frame I went to. So this 1 hour time frame is looking good as well. We got market lower highs formation. So the bearish structure needed for the sells is coming into play. So got a high here and that high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So it's on price coming back to this zone. I expected a new lower high to be formed, which I took my sells on. Right, so everything is looking nice on this index. Is at this point I sold this index on seeing a good formation on the 15-minute time frame, a double top formation here, and we also had a level here which I forgot to spot on the 1 hour time frame. We had a level here which price has been expecting. Always emphasize on marking out these levels that we've got price you expect and react on in the past. So we got market reaction here, support, resistance here, a retest of it, resistance, got the sells, this fake out here, price you expected is resistance. So it was on this level which price got to that I took my sells on, right? So on the lower time frame, the 5-minute time frame, I spotted a good formation here, a double top formation, which I sold at this point before we got this retracement with my stop loss above these highs. So I took the sells at this point, this little retracement. We went on a little drawdown before price moved our expected direction. We got the sells to the downside. So our TP is about to get smashed, which we just got price push up a little bit, and we could still see price get to our TP level. And we have an order block formation here, which may not be expected. And this level I got my TP on is a level that we've seen price expect in the past, a level that has been expected as a support. Right, see market reaction here. Always take note of these levels because we have possibilities of seeing market react on this level later on. Right, you can see price but on this level as a support here as well. So there's a possibility of seeing price do what buy on this same level. So that's why I had my TP close to this level, on this level would say, right? So that's it, guys. That's how I took the sell trade on this index, and more sales is expected. Like I said, on the higher time frame, you could see price break below this level, a further move to this next level, then see price push to this zone, get this level broken, get this next level here, broken, sorry guys, have this level broken, then price getting to our general target level, which is on the weekly time frame level we spotted here, this level, this strong level of resistance. So that's how I took the sell trade on VIX 251S index, already getting the push up. So I'm likely to close my positions in profits, then have like 2 or 3 positions running up, 2 positions would say running up to get to our levels, our expected levels on the higher time frame. So that's how I took the sell trade on this index. So for more trade breakdowns like market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engaging my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more on the wonderfully.